Welcome to the Fizzy Show. Ta-da! One last blueberry.
Oh, we have a runaway.
Lunch should be in a lunchbox.
Fizzy, we should have made an inside-out themed lunch.
Show that blueberry. You should be in that lunchbox.
Ew, you've just squished it. Oh no, are we in trouble? It's okay, we can clean this mess up. Oh no, not the blueberry.
Oh, what happened? What happened? Is the lunchbox poisonous? Oh no, what have I done?
Oh no, the lunchbox is being ruined. Oh, what are we gonna do?
It's okay, Phoebe. Let's do your idea and make an inside-out themed lunch. Okay, everyone, we need to remake lunch. Otherwise, we're all gonna get very hungry.
I'm already hungry.
Okay, well, we better hurry then.
I can help you make a sandwich.
Yay! Miss Hands, we're gonna need a hand.
Hi, Fizzy and Phoebe. Whoa, hello, everyone. We have a lot of emotions happening here.
We need to get making, Miss Hands, before we all get really hungry.
Let's do it. Ooh, okay, Joy. I think you should be our sandwich. What should we do? A smiley sandwich.
I love that idea.
Okay, time to get crafting. Let's spread our peanut butter here onto our bread. There we go. And next we're going to close it up. Give it a little press. And take our round cookie cutter. And we're going to give it a good firm press down here. I'm really excited to see this lunchbox. It's gonna be awesome. And let's take off our cookie cutter. Whoa, that's a great circle. Look at that. Now it needs to look happy and smiley, Miss Hands. I'm so excited for this. This is such a cool idea. I agree. So what's missing?
Eyes and a mouth.
Good spot, Fizzy. And I'm going to use this cool edible marker to draw on our face. This is really going to brighten up our lunchbox. Here we go. Let's start with some smiley eyes. And I think we'll put some hair over here. You tell me if this reminds you of anybody. Yay, it's me! It's almost like a photo! Oh, who am I kidding? Let's put Joy in the lunchbox. Woohoo! I'm jumping for joy!
Is it done? Have we finished?
Not yet, Fear. We're still going. Don't get ants in your pants.
Oh, ants in your pants? There's ants in my pants.
Don't worry, Fear. We just need to create our lunchbox.
As long as it's not oceans, sharks, spiders, bugs, sheep.
No, just a few then.
I think we should face our fears. Let's make a spider.
Oh, this is such a cute idea. Let's get our mat ready. Okay, we have crackers for the spider's body and 8 pieces of pretzel for the 8 legs of the spider. And first of all, we are going to put our crackers together with some peanut butter. And next we want to add the legs. Let's move him over a bit. And I think we're going to put a little bit more peanut butter on the other cracker just to make sure it sticks together. There we go. Give it a little press. Perfect. And finally, we have some little edible eyes. Let's add those on.
Oh, he doesn't seem too scary.
Ew, could you stop that?
I can't help it.
Ugh, why are we taking so long? Let's make your part of the lunchbox Disgust. I can give you a list of all the foods that I don't like, which is every food. Let's go off color. Let's do green. Disgusting. Perfect. Let's add them to the lunchbox.
We need a fire extinguisher.
On it! Sorted.
Phew, that was close.
I am so hungry.
Uh-oh, he's hangry. Miss Hands.
Oh, you're right, Phoebe. Hungry and angry. Hangry. Okay, since anger is so angry today, we're gonna make mini flame bites.
Are you talking about me? Are you talking about me?
First, we take our cookie cutter and we cut our cheese into a teardrop shape. This is what tears look like. Oh, don't worry, sadness. Next, we're going to make the center of the flame using our red bell pepper here and a smaller cookie cutter, like this. Perfect. Now we just put them together like this, and we have our mini flame bite. Oh, fire! Fire!
Don't worry, it's not real. It's made of cheese and pepper.
But what if it becomes real, and then we have a real fire?
What should we make for anxiety? Anxiety always seems anxious.
I think we should use her color, orange.
Oranges.
Good choice. Let's cut up some orange slices. Oh dear. Don't worry, anxiety. Let's put this safely in the lunchbox. Okay, our lunchbox is almost complete. Almost complete? Oh no. That means we will all have to go home.
Don't worry, Sadness. We'll all get a tasty lunch first.
This is so sad.
Well, for sadness, let's add our blueberries back in.
But one got squashed and looked so sad.
Don't worry, we can add in whole ones.
Let's do it. Okay, let's pick these up gently and we can scatter them into our lunchbox. Here we go.
Whoa, this looks awesome.
Yeah, let's take a look at everything we have. We have a smiley face sandwich.
For joy. We have a creepy, crawly spider cracker.
What? Where? Oh, this is making me afraid.
And green grapes.
Ew, disgusting. A red flame.
Oh, seriously? Can we eat? You're making me angry.
Fire! Fire! See, I told you.
Orange slices for anxiety.
And blueberries for sadness.
I'll be so sad to see you all leave.
This looks like an awesome lunch.
It sure does, Phoebe. Go team! Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a fizzy fantastic day.
We will
See you
next time.